The long-rumored iPhone SE 4, likely to be called the iPhone 16e, is pretty much a done deal at this point. And now, a leaked video gives us our first look at what the device might look like in hand. Whether this is a powered-off model or just a very convincing dummy unit, it's making waves. Here's the scoop. Recent reports have claimed that the iPhone SE 4 would borrow the iPhone 14's design, but stick with a single rear camera instead of the dual setup. Well, this video seems to confirm both. The front looks like the iPhone 14, complete with the notch, while the back has a fresh, minimalistic single-camera layout. One thing this video debunks is those pixel-like iPhone cases that have been making the rounds. If this leak is accurate, those casings are either part of an elaborate hoax or possibly for the rumored iPhone 17 Air expected later this year. The big news here is Apple's in-house cellular modem, set to debut with the iPhone SE 4. If this modem delivers, we could see it make its way to the iPhone 17 lineup as well. That's a bold move, Apple. While the new iPhone SE 4 is likely to cost a bit more than its predecessor, it's expected to remain one of the most budget-friendly ways to step into the iOS ecosystem. Inventory for the current iPhone SE is running low globally, which all but confirms that Apple is gearing up for the launch. That said, I personally think Apple should have kept the older SE around at a reduced price. It would have been a nice entry-level option. If the iPhone SE 4, or iPhone 16e, lives up to the hype, it could be one of the standout phones of 2025, especially after the Met iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25's letdown. So, what do you think about the new design? Love it, hate it, or somewhere in between? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.